Hello, welcome back to Taco Potato Mustang. What's up? I'm Matt. I just wanted to share a sort of short update on some of the things that I have been trying to make progress on the Fox Body Mustang project, aka Zorro Blanco, the last week or so. So let's check it out. Got the new Firewall to hood seal unwrapped. This is gonna go along here where you can see these holes. See if it goes as easily as they claim on LMR.com. So that hood to firewall seal thing is a little bit more complicated than I thought. Definitely it isn't easy as they show in the LMR installation video. It seems like you actually have to like bend it a little bit to get around the hood latch cup things that are right here. And you know, I was thinking about replacing these anyway, so I'm thinking that maybe if I replace those, it would be easier to put that on while the hood is off. So maybe I'll hold off a little bit on doing that. It's not like I'm driving the car all over the place anyway. So in the meanwhile, this came today. It is a set of header panel supports, which is nothing to do with exhaust manifold, which is also called a header, but it is these brackets here, which are sort of, looks like they're part of how the front bumper is attached to the radiator support or whatever you want to call it. So, you know, these don't look great, and I did already replace these brackets, so, you know, maybe it'll look a little nicer to have these replaced. And yeah. So that was pretty quick. Here is the old one next to the new one. I do kind of wish that these were black like the ones for the radiator. Maybe I could like paint them or powder coat them at some point. And also I need to either replace or clean up the screws and washers, which are looking a little bit rusted, but I still think it looks better than it did before. Also, I have a kit that I got for my birthday from my sister that I'll eventually be replacing these stickers. Not sure where the rest of them go, but yeah, just another cool little detail to clean the engine bay up a little bit, make it look factory fresh. Anyways, that's another small victory in the Fox Body project. So one thing that's not related to the Fox Body that I've been working on and I kind of wanted to share a little bit and see if I could get some insight is if you watch any of my videos on the Dude Stang, aka the 2014 Mustang GT that is currently not in the garage, I took off the Roush mufflers, the Roush axleback exhaust, and I did that whole mystery muffler experiment, and then now it's currently got the stock exhaust. And I've been tempted to put the Roush back on because I do really like the way it sounds. And but I'm also I'm leaning towards selling them, trying to sell them, and then getting the GT500 axlebacks, which I understand have quite a bit more of a V8 rumble than the stock mufflers. But I need to sell the Roush first, and the Roush are 5 years old and they have about 60,000 miles on them and they have seen better days. So this is actually what they look like after 2 sessions of cleaning them up with some cotton terry towels, and also using mineral spirits and some metal polish. So I knew it was going to take a while because I hadn't cleaned them up. Foolishly, I hadn't cleaned them up at all the entire time I had them on the car. And Virginia gets snow sometimes, and we get salt. But if you have any tips on better getting rid of some of this rust and helping clean it up a little bit, I mean, I'm probably going to do another session of cleaning with car wash soap, wiping down with mineral spirits, and using the polish and see if it makes a difference. Obviously, you can tell that the driver's side one looks quite a bit better. I think I did maybe like a little bit more time on that. But anyways, if you have any tips on cleaning up rust off of mufflers and something that might help to make more progress without scratching those up at all, leave a comment below, and let me know your best advice. I probably need to do a little bit more searching on YouTube and Google and whatever. But yeah, if you have any tips, let me know. Thanks. So yeah, not a ton of updates this week. Just figured out that I'm gonna probably try and do something different as far as getting that hood firewall seal on. I might try and get those hood hinge cups or whatever they're called. And also I'm hoping that I'll have a can of Port 15 before the weekend, and then maybe I can start making some progress on both the upgrade of the master cylinder and getting the rust on the shock towers cleaned up. And I'm also still waiting for some shocks that I ordered for the Fox body, and a few other parts. I'm hoping that the next few weeks will be pretty exciting in terms of making some progress. Anyways, if you are new to my channel and you like my video, please hit subscribe. And otherwise, thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for the next video. Hope you're staying safe. Hope you're staying healthy. Peace out.